4555 Warrior on the Paignton Dartmouth Steam Railway, coming into Paignton Queen's Park Station at 12:10 PM. Arriving on time with a service from Kingswear. For some reason will be our shed code. Interesting. Doing a bit of mixed wear, are we? Oh well, express yourself. Four 555 Warrior on the Paignton Dartmouth Steam Railway at Paignton Queen's Park Station. Moving just to the water tower. Ah, good. You can never tell what he's going to do. 4555 Warrior on the Paignton Dartmouth Steam Railway, Paignton Queen's Park Station, taking on water now. On a very windy and blustery day down Paignton. Well, Europe burns, we get blown away. What is the world coming to? 4555 Warrior on the Paignton Dartmouth Steam Railway, Paignton Queen's Park Station, moving to the other end of the train, ready for the next step. 4555 Warrior on the Paignton Dartmouth Steam Railway, Paignton Queen's Park Station, slowly creeping forward to hook up to the front of the train. Four 555 Warrior on the Paignton Dartmouth Steam Railway, departing Paignton Queen's Park Station at 12:27 PM. And there we are. Professional departure. More professional than the Solana. Never have a holiday there.